This is a tiny bit more advanced, but it's a thing called negative space. And I thought, what does that mean, Kay? Well, if you look at this picture, there's just a little bit of tractor and it's predominantly sky and grass. And you might sort of think, well, why don't you just get a bit closer? And I could, but there's a really good reason that I often get asked for website imagery, and that will include banner shots. So can you see how suddenly that negative space is super useful? If you're going to have something with graphics added or it's used as a banner shot, having kind of less clutter works. And then can you see how this graphic and writing does not disturb the image at all? Obviously, if you put the graphic on partly on top of the tractor, it would jar a little bit. So there are times when negative space is really useful. And for me, it's about thinking about what's the end usage of said image. And that helps me personally think about how I want to frame it. And if you're not sure, we'll just do some mixtures, sort of get a nice one like this, lots of space, getting closer, and then you've got all your options covered then, haven't you really? Angles, okay? So vary your angle. I'm down really low, and I think in this particular image, it makes it quite interesting. It's clearly organic because you've got some sort of thistle, I think. You've got the farmers up there. They're about to have an outdoor meeting. I've also showed the sort of the margin, the bushes and things. So because of the angle I've chosen, if you think about what I'm telling in this image, I've got about 4 or 5 messages going on here, and it's just interesting. Had it just been the 4 chaps walking along the field, it would be fine, and I probably have one in the collection. But to me, this is a more interesting image, and you can do this with your phones. Just if your knees will do it, crouch down.